Hello students, today we are going to learn what is weather and climate. So, look at the weather outside the classroom, how it is. Yes, it is very cool. When you wake up in the morning, it will be very cool. Whether it may be any season, whether it may be summer season, winter season or rainy season. When you look at the weather in the afternoon, it is little bit hot, and in the evening when you are returning from the school or after reaching your home, you see the weather is very cool. So there are certain changes taking place from morning till evening. When you go to sleep, the weather is changing gradually. And also you can see, as we have seen in our class 6, that sunrise and sunset, when does it take place? In a day we have 24 hours, but always the sun may rise early or little bit late depending upon the season. In the summer season, before you wake up, that is before 6 o'clock, the sun starts rising, and in the evening the sun sets late. So you can see the daytime is very long and night is very less. In the same manner, when you look at the winter season, the sun is going to rise late. Even though when you are reaching the school, it is very cool, the weather is very cool because the sun starts rising. And before you reach your home from the school, the sun will start setting. That means the daytime is very less and the night time is very lengthy in the winter season. So, what are the different aspects in the weather? Weather means what we are going to learn. So, in the weather report, when you observe the newspaper, all of you once look at the newspaper, or when you hear the news in the TV or radio, there will be time to time broadcasting of the weather report before giving the news about the weather changes taking place around us or the climatic changes occurring around the world. They are going to tell before telling the news. So what are the different things they are going to tell us in the weather report? See, children, the aspects of the weather. In your newspaper, when you observe, we are going to have the time of the sunrise, when the sun is going to rise and when the sun is going to set on that particular day, and minimum temperature and maximum temperature recorded on that day. See, the rainfall, whether it is going to occur today or tomorrow, the weather report shows us. Next, the appearance of the sky, whether the sky is cloudy or whether the sky is clear, it will be. Next, wind, the flow, the breeze or the wind is moving. So, about the wind also we can have in the weather report. And the humidity, what is humidity? The water vapor present in the air is nothing but the humidity. So, these are the different aspects you are going to find in the weather report. For measuring these all aspects, who is going to give us all the information? It is nothing but IMD. So, IMD is the department. Indian Meteorological Department is the department which records about all the aspects of the weather, and time to time we are going to get the weather report. So, when we know about the weather only, we can move, because weather changes from time to time. So, we have to find or we have to know prior information before doing any work. For example, in the rainy season, the people, the fishermen for example, they go out for fishing. So what they are going to, the weather report will direct them not to go for fishing, because due to heavy rains they may slip down in the pools or any rivers like that. So the weather, depending upon the weather report, they are going to go for the fishing in the seas or rivers like that. So it gives us a hint to do our works. So how they are going to measure? In the last lesson we have studied about the temperature. How we are going to measure the temperature, children? Yes, right. Here is the instrument for measuring the atmospheric temperature. So it is the MMT, 6's maximum and minimum thermometer is the instrument for measuring the atmospheric temperature. Next, rainfall. Rainfall can be measured by the rain gauge. It can also be called as pulvinometer. The rainfall will be recorded in the millimeters or centimeters. Next, sky appearance. By observing, looking at the sky, you can say whether it is cloudy or non-cloudy. Next, wind. Wind is also the flow of the wind, whether it is very fast or very slow. This can be the direction of the wind can also be recorded by the instrument anemometer. So in this manner we are going to study about the weather report, and it will be helpful for us to do different sorts of work. And what is climate? So these are the different aspects of the weather. Then what is climate? Climate is the condition of that particular place recorded over a long period of time. For example, 25 years for a particular place, the climate may not change. It will be same for 25 years. Whether it may be hottest place or coolest place, it can be detected by climate. So climate is the report or weather condition of that particular place over a period of 25 years. Okay.